Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Gemini. For your relationship and career circumstances, I'll be picking different cards. So, this is for your relationship, I'll leave it here, and this is for your career situation, Gemini. So, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that if you want more clarity. And Gemini, if you are interested in a personal reading, I'll be sharing my friend's link in the description. If you want to contact her, you can contact her in favor. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. We have Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, and Wheel of Fortune. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are maybe today, Gemini, something good, something unexpected is coming to you. It may be a change in the way things are going today in your life, a change in your destiny. So maybe till now you would have faced some circumstances, some difficulties, maybe in your relationship or in your career, whatever that was, whatever problems you had, all that is resolving very soon, and your destiny is changing for the better. And someone you love, someone whom you never expected, is coming to see you today, Gemini. It may be your person, it may be your past person, your ex, or your present person, and they are coming with an important message or a gift, something that is going to make you really happy, that is going to give you contentment, satisfaction, and you are going to feel so, what to say, out of the world, and you are going to feel so confident. Contentment is what I see with these cards. And you have a very good understanding with this person. Maybe if this person who is visiting you, if it is your present person, you have a mutual understanding and things are going to get even more better for you in this relationship. But for some of you, if you are in separation, if you are away, maybe some arguments, if you are in a break, maybe this past person is coming back. They are coming to see you today, guys, Gemini. So you can be happy for that. So for your love guidance, we have one card. We will see what it is. It says chop wood. So with this card, it just means that there may be times in your relationship where things will be going slowly. You may feel a little bored, feel a little less inspired. But this may be the time to do simpler things. Go for, spending quality time with this person. Maybe taking part in simpler activities, just doing dishes together, just cutting vegetables together, spending time together, just holding hands. You don't even have to speak anything. Just being with this person is going to make that difference, is going to show how much you love them and how much they love you. So that is the energy here with this card. So you need to take one day at a time right now. Maybe this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection by spending time with each other. So this is the time for that, Gemini, in your relationship. For your career, we have one card and it says by the book. So, in your work circumstances, something good is coming today. Maybe you would have met some failures in certain things, certain choices you made. So, whatever you lost is coming back to you. And you need not do something different. You need not go out of the way, trying your own way, or striving really hard for it. But you need to just stick to what you know very well, what your your mentor or what your colleagues have followed. If you follow those footsteps, you are going to succeed today, and you're attracting abundance in your career situation. So you are getting a lot of opportunities, better opportunities in your work circumstances. So that is the energy here with this card, Gemini. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, Sunstone. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you need to free yourself of all that old patterns, maybe the past hurt, whatever was holding you back, whatever was limiting your potential. And you need to understand that you can do anything you set your mind on. So you need to feel really positive and you need to break away from all those obstacles that is holding you back, that is making you stuck. So if you are feeling little toxic in this present relationship and you feel that this relationship is not working, you are free to move away from it, start a new one, or transform this relationship into something which you love, something which you want it to be. You can never control another person or you can never control a set of circumstances, but you always have a freedom of choice. So this freedom includes stopping the way you are going about your life and connecting with the higher spirit or universe, asking for guidance and help. So that way you'll be making a good choice, a best choice. And there are no limits for your skills and talents, guys. So there is no limit, same way there is no limit for love. So if you want a better circumstance for yourself, you need to free yourself today and you need to understand that a much better circumstance is waiting for you and you need to give up all that past hurt or past negativity, whatever is holding you back. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the goose girl. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances, it may be your energy or someone close to you, it may be their energy. Maybe someone has wronged this person very badly and they are creating a lot of troubles for this person because of envy or jealousy. But you need to understand that a true loving heart will always triumph, and truth will always triumph, and justice will be done no matter what your circumstances are. And people love you for what you are and not for your status or not for the possessions you have, but for that true loving nature of yours. And if someone is really jealous and envious and doing wrong things to you, things to someone who is a truly innocent soul, truly kind soul, that jealousy and envy will go back to them and it will not affect this person, guys. You need to understand that. And truth will be revealed. And there is no one who can copy you today, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and no one will be able to copy us or step into our shoes. So we have our place in this world, just like each and every one of us as our own place, and there is no one who can take that place. You can be rest assured of that, guys. So that is the energy here with this card. And maybe today, whatever problems you are facing, very soon it is all going to change. It is all going to resolve, guys. So this may be your energy, or it may be someone really close to you. It may be their energy here, guys. So they have been really wronged by people who are simply jealous or envious about them. But everything will be back to what it was, to that good state like before, very soon, guys. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.